child facing any problem in managing the emotions, like such as anger, sad, irritation, frustration. So here are the 5 tips where you can manage your child's emotional skills. See, first one is they should feel responsible to themselves, responsibility of everything, whatever the things they are using in their life, even it is a thing or any people surrounded with them. Next, coming to self control. The self control can be done when a child is unable to achieve what he or she is able to or dreaming of, right? Suppose example, self control, if something is going against the child, they should control themselves. That is what the self control is. The small things, if the self control is not taken place in the children, they generally come into the emotional imbalance and they get irritated, anger. So the first one is feeling responsible to themselves and the things what they are using. Second is self control. Third is trustworthiness. Whatever the things they are doing, they should first trust themselves and they should build the trust between the peer members or the parents, whoever the people they are surrounded with. They should have a trustworthiness, they should maintain a trust, they should build the trust so that they can manage their emotions very easily. Next, coming to adaptability. See, adaptability comes to the child when the environment is changed or the people's emotions are changed. So we get adapted, the children should get adaptability when things are not going in favor of them, right? So here, when the things are going against them, they should be able to control themselves and they should be able to adapt themselves. See, not everyone is having the same level of emotions, whoever the people surrounded with them. They should regulate their own emotions to be happy, to be peaceful in life, to be successful, to be energetic. Everything is very important because we are the one who is responsible of our own emotions. The final one is innovativeness or being innovative. See, how innovative the child will be, that much he will be very happy, that much he will be creative, that much the mind will be empty, like the mind won't go to the previous memories, the previous emotions, whereas they get stuck in themselves. So these are the 5 things where you can use in your children to regulate their emotions. They should feel responsibility, they should control themselves, they should be adaptability, or they should build the trustworthiness, or they should be very innovative in their life. Thank you.